Hello everybody, hope that you are doing okay with this COVID crisis. This is Miguel from FoodinTech. Regarding our company and the actual crisis, we are doing quite well. We are a digital company, a software house, so all the resources are suitable to work at home, but I miss them. Like you can see the chairs here, no one is here, and well, I miss that a lot, the working with the peoples around. Regarding the business, FoodinTech is doing okay. Our software, I think it's helping companies to dematerialize, digitalize their process and information, so no papers. So I think we are doing quite well regarding the context. Our pilots, I think they are in the same appointment. I mean, the companies that are with us regarding our pilots, well, we are supporting the paper-free industry, so no paper, no contact, all the data is digitalized, suitable and available anywhere, any place. So the companies that are working with us, for sure they are taking some benefits regarding using flow manufacturing. Teleworking is something that came to stay. Some people can benefit more from that. A lot of people, workers, they will be able to work at home. And regarding this, we will see a decrease regarding travels, a lot of money saved regarding traveling expenses, and I think that's quite good. I don't know, I hope that it will pass. For sure there will be another one in the medium long term, but I think the society will had learned a lot regarding this, and I think all the systems of the society, the people will be more prepared in the future when something like this will come. All the best for you guys.